Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to all my students. Okay, so today in this video, I have chose a few questions from questions from your tutorial book based on we call tutorial questions. Hopefully that this video helps you to start, begin, and continue until you complete almost all the questions that we provide for all of you as an exercise. Okay, so without wasting so much time, these are few questions. Okay, please refer to your tutorial book, tutorial for chapter 4 Conics, question 3, 6, and 8. And 12, 14, and 21. Okay, so the reason that I prepared this video, so then with a few questions I select, helps you to continue with the rest of the questions. Okay, so do not just copy out the solution from this video only and leave the rest of the questions without doing nothing. Okay, so from this video, start your tutorial, your work, and continue with the rest of the questions. Okay, the first question. The circle of given here, the general equation of circle x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 passes through the point of -2, 1, 2, -3, and 6, 1. So find the equation of the circle, meaning we are going to find out what is the value of G, F, and C. Okay. So now, from these 3 points, okay, again, rewrite all this again. X squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So at a point of -2, 1. Okay, before that, just imagine that this is the circle. Okay, and there are 3 different points here. If I need this one, label this as an A, B, and C. Okay, the coordinate of A, -2, 1 here. The coordinate of B, 2, -3. And let's say here C, 6 and 1, for example. Okay, so the points given that, so we have to find out the proper general equation. At this point here, -2 and 1, meaning this is x and this is y. X, y, x, y, and x, y. So at the point of -2, 1, so it's just like -2 square plus 1 square plus 2gx, which is -2, plus 2fy equal to 1 plus c equal to 0. Okay, so -2 square equal to 4 plus 1 square is 1. 2 times -2 -4g, 2 times 1 equal to 2f plus c equal to 0. So then, -4g plus 2f plus c equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Read the side become -5. So put this as an equation 1. Then, at the point of 2, -3. Okay, at the point of 2, -3, so 2 square equal to 4, -3 square equal to 9, 2gx, 2 times 2 equal to 4g, minus 2 times -3 equals 6f plus c equal to 0. Okay, so then 4g minus 6f plus c equal to 4 plus 9, 13, to the side become -13, equation 2. At the point of 6 and 1, so substitute here 6 squared equal to 36 plus 1 squared is 1. 2 times 6 equal to 12g, and 2 times 1 equal to 2f plus c equal to 0. Then 12g plus 2f plus c equal to 36 plus 1, 37, brings out become negative 37, equation 3. Okay, so there are 3 different equations with 3 variables of g, f, and c. Then, my suggestion is, let's come up with equation 1 minus equation 2. The reason is, c minus c equal to 0. C minus c equal to 0, so then follow up by the rest of this. So then negative 4g plus 2f plus c equal to negative 5, and 4g minus 6f plus c equal to negative 13 minus, so c minus c. Okay, negative 4g minus 4g, negative 8g, 2, negative times negative become positive, so 2 plus 6 equal to 8f equal to negative times negative become positive, so negative 5 plus 13, 8. So divide by 8 over this, come up with g plus f equal to 1. So equation 4. Then I'm referring to this c and c from equation 3 again. So I make this as equation 1 minus equation 3. Okay, negative 4g plus 2f plus c equal to negative 5, and 12g plus 2f plus c equal to negative 37. Okay, now c minus c equal to 0. Okay, class. This this might be planned by the one who made this question, because most of the time when they give you the coordinate of A, B, and C, and one we substitute as we get equation 1, 2, and 3 here, up to this point here, equation 1 minus equation 3, C minus C equal to 0, am I right? Okay, most of the time you will not see this thing happen. When 2f minus 2f, we can easily subtract this 2f, getting 0, then strictly get a value of g. Not all the time. Okay, most of the time they will give you an equation where equation 1 minus equation 3, f minus something f here is still f, and there's still g there. G f equal to something, they come up with equation 5. Then we need to solve between equation 4 and 5 to get one of the variable is either g or f first. But this time, for c minus c, 2f minus 2f, you surely get 0, right? Okay, you're quite lucky. So negative 4g minus 12g, negative 16g. Negative times negative equal to positive. So negative 5 plus 37, 32. Then g equal to 32 divided by negative 16, negative 2. Okay, so meaning we can certainly use the value of g, negative 2, substitute. I prefer to use equation 4 here. Substitute g with negative 2 here, then we can get the f. So then, substitute g equal to negative 2 into equation 4 here. So negative g is negative 2, plus f equal to 1. Negative times negative become positive. So f equal to 2 here become positive. Negative. G is negative 2 is also G here. Okay, so negative negative become positive. So 2 here become negative. So f equal to negative 3. Okay, so we already have got the value of G and also f. Substitute these two both into either equation 1, equation 2, or equation 3. Okay, so I choose equation 1 then. Okay, negative 4G, which is negative 2, plus 2f negative 3, plus C equal to negative 5. Negative 4 times negative 2 is 8, minus 6, plus C equal to negative 5. 8 minus 6 equal to 2. Then C equal to negative 5 minus 2, negative 7. Okay, class, I think I make a mistake here. Equation 4, negative G plus F equal to 1, but then I make it here as a negative 1, so I make a mistake in here. Sorry. So I clear everything here. Okay, never mind. Sorry for the careless mistake there. Okay, so now negative G plus F equal to 1. Okay, equal to 1 here. Okay, so then this is 2 plus f equal to 1, then f equal to 2 here become negative, so 1 minus 2, negative 1. Okay, now it's time for us to substitute G and F into equation 1. Okay, negative 4 times G, negative 2. 2 times F, F negative 1, plus C equal to negative 5. So they come out with 8, and this is negative 2. So 8 minus 2 equal to 6, plus C equal to negative 5, then C is negative 11. Okay, so we substitute the value of G, F, and C into this equation, then it gives you x squared plus y squared. Okay, G is negative 2, so 2 times negative 2 times x minus 4x, and f equal to negative 1 times 2 minus 2y. And C is minus 11 equal to 0. Okay, so this is the first solution for question number 3. Then next, find the equation of tangent and normal to the circle at the point of 1 and 4. Okay, so just imagine that there is a circle here. Okay, and there is one coordinate of, for example, this is a coordinate of 1 and 4. So the question wants us to find out the equation of tangent and normal. Okay, so it means that here, from this tangent and normal with a degree of 90 degree here, so the equation, we call the gradient of normal here, we can find out between the coordinate of 1 and 4 and also the center of the circle. So given here now, x squared plus y squared plus 4x equal to 21. Then x squared plus y, x squared plus 4x plus y squared equal to 21. Okay, never mind. And then for these two, we come up with the process of completing the square, where x squared plus 4x plus 4 over 2 square minus 4 over 2 square plus y square equal to 21. And from these three, 1, 2, 3, then we come up with x, the 4 divided by 2 plus 2 square, okay, minus 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 square equal to 4 plus y square equal to 21. Then x plus 2 square plus y plus 0 square equal to 25. Okay, so class, the standard equation of a circle with x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. So from here, the center, which is h and k, so that according to this one here now, it is x minus negative 2 square plus y minus 0, negative of the 0 here plus with negative here, square equal to 25. So then h, we call the center of the circle is negative 2, 0, and the radius equal to, this is r square, so the radius is 5. Okay, so according to this picture, then the center is negative 2, 0. Okay, now before we come up with the equation of tangent and equation of normal, we need to find out the gradient of tangent and gradient of normal. As we know that the gradient of tangent multiplied with the gradient of normal, it gives you negative 1. You still remember that? Okay. So from this point of 1, 4 to the center of C here, negative 2 and 0, we can find out the gradient of normal here. So the gradient of normal equal to y2 minus y1 equal to x2 minus x1. So I consider this one as a 4. Look at this one here, 4 and 0. 4 minus 0 divided by 1 minus negative 2. Okay, 4, negative become positive, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So gradient of tangent is 4 over 3, and gradient of normal equal to negative 3 over 4. Okay, so now class, to find the equation of tangent and equation of normal. For equation of tangent, then we can only use the point of 1 and 4, and using the gradient of tangent. This is the gradient of normal. It should be gradient of tangent here, sorry. Okay, gradient of tangent. So then, for gradient of tangent, for equation of tangent, we can use the point of 1 and 4. But then for equation of normal, we can either use 1 and 4 or negative 2, 0. It's all up to you then, because these 2 points is, recall, is one of two the coordinates on this line of the normal here. So then the equation of tangent, so y minus, use this one here, 4 equal to gradient of tangent. Where is the gradient of tangent here? Negative 3 over 4. Then x minus 1. Okay, so negative 3 over 4x minus negative become positive. So 3 over 4. Then y equal to negative 3 over 4x Okay, negative 4 y equal to plus 4 here. 4 times 4 equal to 16 over 4. So then negative 3 over 4x and 3 plus 16 equal to 19 over 4. Okay, what about equation of normal? Then of course we're going to use the gradient of normal and the coordinate of 1, 4 or coordinate of negative 2, 0 is all up to you. Then equation of normal, so then y minus 4 and gradient of normal here, which is 4 over 3 x minus 1. Okay, 4 over 3x minus 4 over 3y, negative 4 will here become positive 4, which is 16 over 3. No, sorry. Okay. Okay, 4 will here become positive 4. 4 times 3 equal to 12. 12 divided by 3. Look at the denominator here. Okay, this just now is a denominator of 4, so then bring a 4 here become positive 4, and 4 times 4 equal to 60. 60 divided by 4 equal to 4. But here now the denominator is 3, so 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. Then 4 over 3x, negative 4 plus 12, 8 over 3. Okay. This is more than enough. Okay, even though maybe you can say that we want it in the form without denominator, so it is 4y equal to negative 3x plus 19. Okay, from here, and then 3y equal to 4x plus 8 from here. Okay, but I think that these two is more than enough. Okay, next, two circles are denoted by C1 and C2, equation of C1 and C2 then here. Okay, now find the coordinate of center and radius for C1 and C2. Find the distance between the centers of these two circles and show that C1 and C2 touch each other. To show this C1 and C2 touch each other, it is something like this. This is circle number 1 and this is circle number 2. For example, which is bigger than is not the probably called the matter here. The matter here now is it touched at one point. Okay, I'm sorry for this. Might be you can see that it touched more than one, but assume that it would touch at one point only here. Okay, then so two circles denoted. Okay, the C1 and the C2 here. Find the coordinate of center of radius C1 and C2. So C1 and C2. C1 from x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. And then C2 here, x squared plus y squared minus 10x minus 5y plus 25 equal to 0. Okay, so one by one, x squared plus 2x plus y squared plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. So for the process of completing the square, x squared plus 2x plus 2 over 2 square minus 2 over 2 square. So just imagine that 2 divided by 2, it come up with x plus 1 square, okay, plus, okay, minus 2 divided by 2 equal to 1, 1 square is 1. Then 4 here, y square plus 4y plus 4 over 2 square. So okay, y square plus 4y plus 4 over 2 square. 4 over 2 means that come up with y plus 2 square minus 4 over 2 4 over 2 is 2. 2 square equal to 4. Minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, x plus 1 square plus y plus 2 square. Negative 1 minus 4 equal to negative 5. Minus 20, negative 25. Then it is equal to 25. Okay, so find the coordinate of center and the radius for C1 and C2. Then next here, x squared minus 10x plus y squared minus 5y plus 25 equal to 0. So x squared minus 10x minus plus negative 10 over 2, 5, negative minus 5 squared. Okay, I cut one of the step here. From here to this solution here, I skip what we call, I jump from one step. To understand this, please refer to this one again. Okay, before we reach to this part. So I ignored, I jump to, we go from one step here. Okay, so negative 10 over 2, negative 5 squared, minus negative 10 over 2, negative 5 squared is 25. Plus, okay, y squared minus 5, negative 5 over minus 5 over 2, minus 5 over 2 square, minus negative 5 over 2, okay, negative 5 over 2 square is 25 over 4 plus 25 equal to 0. Then, which is x minus 5 square plus y minus 5 over 2 square. Okay, 25 minus 25 equal to 0. So this only left here. So bring the side become 25 over 4. So then the center of C1, the center here is negative 1 and negative 2. And the radius equal to 5. The center for C2 here is 5 and 5 over 2, where the radius equal to 5 over 2. This is r squared. Okay, x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r squared. So r squared is 35 over 4. So square root of all these two, you come up with 5 over 2. Okay, find the distance between the center of these two circles. So let's recall the distance between the centers of these two circles. So the d equal to square root of negative 1 plus 5. Okay, so take this one here, the first one, negative 1. Negative 1 minus 5 square plus negative 2 minus 5 over 2 square. Okay, then come out with negative 5, minus 1, negative 6. Negative 6 square equal to 36 plus negative 2 minus 5 over 2. Okay, negative 2 minus 5 over 2. 2 times 2 equal to 4, negative 4 over 2 minus 5 over 2, then negative 9 over 2. So negative 9 over 2 square, which gives you 81 over 4. Okay, 81 over 4 equal to square root of, okay, what about this one here now? 36 plus 81 divided by 2, 153 divided by 2. Okay, 153 divided by 2, which is 76.5. Okay, class. I trace, recall my mistake again here. It's supposedly 4 here. Okay, 153 divided by 4. Okay, so we shall take that square root of 36 plus 81 divided by 4. Okay, as you see the screen here now. Okay, equal to 15/2, meaning that here what about this? 36 plus 81 divided by 4 equal to, this is 225 divided by 4, and this is not 76.5, it is 15/2. Okay, now class, look at the, we call question number 3. So find the distance between the center of two circles when two circles, distance between two circles now here is 15.2. Okay, show that C1 and C2 touch each other. So means that here, if this is the center of C1 and this is the center of C2, okay, the radius R1 and R2. Okay, show that C1 and C2 touch each other. So by looking at this picture, meaning that the distance from the center of C1 and C2 equal to the summation of R1 and R2. So let's see here now. Let's say R1 plus R2, where R1 equal to 5 plus R2 is 5/2. Okay, so 5, change this in the form of, we call denominator with that, we call denominator of 2 here. 5 times 2 equal to 10/2 plus 5/2, then it is 15/2. So then the distance between two center equal to the summation of R, the radius of circle number 1, and radius of circle number 2, R1 and R2, the summation of R1 and R2. So we come up with a conclusion that C1 and C2 touch each other. There you go. Okay, so class, for this 4 question, I'm going to choose one only. Okay, so show that the following equation represent an ellipse. I choose question number C. Okay, class. For circle and ellipse. Okay, for circle and ellipse, in one general equation here, something like this, both of x and y with the highest degree or the power of x and y here, highest degree of 2 to the power of 2. Okay, in our syllabus for a parabola, so there will be only either x or y with highest power of 2, either one. Okay, so if the question did not mention about an ellipse, but look at this question here now, x squared and y squared, this equation can be represent a circle or an ellipse, either one. Okay, but since that the question here mentioned now equation represent an ellipse, so then 9x squared plus y squared minus 18x minus 4y minus 68 equal to 0. Okay, so 9x squared minus 18x plus y squared minus 4y minus 68 equal to 0. Make sure that before we complete the process of capital square, make sure that the coefficient of x with an x next to each other, y with y, and then the coefficient of x squared and y squared must equal to 1 first. So here 9 with x squared minus 2x plus y squared minus 4y minus 68 equal to 0. Okay. Then next, 9, we begin the process of capital square here, where x squared minus 2x plus negative 2 over 2 square minus negative 2 over 2 square plus y squared minus 4y plus negative 4 over 2 square minus negative 4 over 2 square minus 68 equal to 0. Okay, with 9 here. Okay, with these three terms 1, 2, 3, and we simplify at x minus 1 squared. Minus negative 2 divided by 2, negative 1. Negative 1 square equal to 1. Plus, okay, now 1, 2, 3. We simplify as y, negative 4 divided by 2 minus 2 square minus negative 4 divided by 2, negative 2 square equal to 4 minus 68 equal to 0. So then multiply this 9 with this x minus 1 and 9 multiplied with negative 1. So 9x minus 1 square minus 9 plus y minus 2 square. 68 minus 4, negative 72 equal to 0. Okay, so 9x minus 1 square plus y minus 2 square. Okay, negative 72 minus 1. No. 72, negative 72 minus 9 equal to negative 81 equal to 0. Okay, so class, if I straightly jump this step here, okay, never mind, I just rewrite all again. Then 9x minus 1 square plus y minus 2 square equal to 81. Okay, because we have this, without this 9, then this is a standard equation of a circle. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal to r squared. R squared is 81, then r equal to 9. But for this example, for this question, we got 9 here. So what can we do here now is we divide everything with 81 or divide by 81. So 9 divided by 81, x minus 1 square, 9 divided by 81 equal to 9 plus y minus 2 square divided by 81 equal to 1. Okay, I write here the equation of ellipse for question C here now is x minus 1 square divided by 9 plus y minus 2 squared divided by 81 equal to 1. Find the centers and foci. Okay, so now the center of this ellipse is 1 and 2. From B here, 1 and 2. Okay, and then the foci of both of the focus point okay, so we have a equation of c squared equal to a squared minus b squared. We agreed in our syllabus here, I did mention in my lecture video, and we agreed among all the units math colleague that for these two of the denominator, we stated that A is always greater than B. A is always greater than B, no matter whether A is under Y, B is under X, or the other way around, A as we call A under the X or B under Y. So at this moment here right now, look at this equation here now. A is 81, B is 9. A is greater than B. And A under Y-axis. So I give you, if I recall the rough picture of this one here, it's going to be a vertical ellipse. Okay, vertical ellipse where the Y is the major axis here and the focus is somewhere around here, F1 and F2. Okay, so to find the focus, we need to find the C here where A equal to 81 A squared. This is A squared. 81 minus B squared equal to 9. 81 minus 7. 81 minus 9. Okay, 81 minus 9 equal to 72. So C equal to square root of 72. Okay, so that the focus point of this, from this center, we move square root of 72 units above and square root of 72 units below y-axis. So then the focus point here, the first and the second focus point here, okay, from the center of 1 and 2. So this will change here now. C1 equal to 1 and 2 plus square root of 72, and here is 1, 2 minus square root of 72. There you go. Okay, now the end of major and minor axis ellipse are given here now. Okay, if I sketch Y and X, okay, the end point of major and minor axis for an ellipse, 1 and negative 1. So then this is 1 and 1 here. 3 and 4. X, 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4 somewhere around here. 1 and 7. 1 and 7 somewhere around here. Okay, this is 7. 1 and 7. And negative 1. 1, negative 1 here. Negative 1 and 4. Here. Okay, so I use a different color of this we call vertices of major axis. Okay, so now between this negative 1 and 3, from negative 1 to 1, the distance is 2 units, right? And also from 1 to 3 is also different, is 2. So it means that here, the distance of this 2 units and 2 units. Okay, now from this point, 7 to 4. Okay, this is the center here now. So then the distance from this point and here, from 7 to 4, which is 3, and 4 to 1 is also 3, meaning it's a measure for y. Then the graph of this one here, okay, something like this. And the center of this ellipse here is 4 and 1. The center, where the center is 4, no. The center of this ellipse here is 4 and 1 and 4. The center here is 1 and 4. So the major axis here now is y. It's a vertical axis, where since that from C to this point is 3, C to this point here is 3, C to this point here is only 2, and C to this point is also 2. So it's a vertical axis, so the focus is somewhere around here. Find the equation of this ellipse and its foci. So its foci, x minus 1 square divided by something plus y minus 4 square divided by something. Okay. Okay. So then, because it's a vertical axis, so y will be the measure, means that here, look at this, we call the distance from the center to this, we call vertex here from C to this point. The distance here is 3, so 3 square equal to 9, and the distance from this point center to this point here is 2, so 2 square equal to 4, which is equal to 1 here. Find the equation of the ellipse. It's 1 here now. Okay, and the center of the foci focus is always on a measure, which now measure here is on y-axis. So F1 and F2. X equal to 1. So this point, this point, this point, this point, and this coordinate point here is all x equal to 1. So it remain 1 here. So now the changes is y. From here, 1 and 4. So it means that from 4 plus with, okay, we need to find out the c here now. C square equal to a square minus b square, where a equal to 9. A square equal to 9, this is a square. Here, please remember this, x minus h square divided by, according to this a here, so it is b square plus y minus k square divided by a square equal to 1. So 9 is a square here, 4 is b square. 9 minus 4 is 5, then c equal to plus minus square root of 5. So here now is 4 plus square root of 5 and 4 minus square root of 5. Okay, get it? Okay, now the equation of parabola. So look at this one here now. In one equation, there only one variable, which is y, with the highest degree or power of 2 here, where the degree of x, the highest is 1. Okay, by completing the square, show the equation of parabola here is given here. So then, y square minus 8x minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0, y squared minus 4y minus 8x minus 20 equal to 0 then. So y with negative 4, so we straightly come up with y minus negative 4 divided by 2, negative 2. So y minus 2 squared minus negative 4 divided by 2, negative 2. Negative 2 squared equal to 4. Minus 8x minus 20 equal to 0. I skip or jump one step here. Please refer the step in between this here in here. Okay, I ignored one of the step, something like this in this example. Okay, so then y minus 2 squared then equal to negative 8, bring this side become positive, 8x. Negative 20 minus 4, negative 24, bring to the side become positive 24. Okay, equal to, factorize 8, then you got 8x plus 3, 8 times x equal to 8x, 8 times 3 equal to 24. So y minus 2 square equal to 8 times x plus 3. So done. Okay. Sketch the graph of parabola. Okay, now class. Okay, where is the ruler then? Okay, try to find the ruler. Okay, sorry, here now. Okay, now sorry. Okay, sketch the graph of the parabola for this one here now. Y minus k square equal to 4p x minus h, and 4p equal to an 8 and p equal to 2, positive. Y square, okay, for graph of x square, y equal to x square, the graph will be is either smile or sad. So the other way around here, if x equal to y square, the graph is either open to the left or open to the right. So for p equal to 2, this is the one. Okay. And h and k, for this is not a center of the parabola, but it's the vertex of the parabola here. So for parabola, h and k is not center, just like we call ellipse or circle, but it's a vertex of the parabola. So the vertex here, according to this, negative 3 and 2. Okay, so then negative 3 and 2 were somewhat here. So okay. Wait. Oh, sorry. So this is the vertex of the parabola. Okay. And p equal to 2, meaning the line, the focus is from negative 2, distant from here, which is negative 1. Okay, so this is the focus, which is negative 1 and 2. This is 2, so negative 3 and 2, and negative 1 and 2. And the distance from here, directrix. So the distance of this equal to 2 units, and the distance from this vertex to the directrix is also 2 units. So this is x equal to -5. So guys, for question C here, okay, for question C, from equation of this, equation of parabola, and y equal to x plus k. So we got y here and also y. Substitute y with x plus k, so then x plus k squared minus 8x minus 4, y equal to x plus k, here x plus k minus 20 equal to 0. So expand this, x squared plus 2x 2kx plus k squared minus 8x, -4 times x, -4x, -4 times k minus 4k minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, so look at this one here now. There's only one x squared here. There's only one x, no x, x power of 1, x power of 1, no x and no x. So x squared. Okay. Plus 2kx, -8 minus 4 minus 12x, then k squared plus k squared minus 4k minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, so determine value of k such that this line does not intersect the parabola. Okay, so x squared plus 2k minus 12. 2k minus 12 multiplied with an x plus k squared minus 4k minus 20 equal to 0. So the coefficient of x squared or a equal to 1, coefficient of x 2k minus 12, and c here. So if this line does not intersect the parabola, we use the term of b squared minus 4ac greater than 0. So this is b here right now. 2k minus 12 square minus 4a equal to 1. And c here, k square minus 4k minus 20 greater than 0. Expand on this 2k minus 12. Okay, 2k minus 12 square. Again, please remember, this is 2k minus 12 multiplied with 2k minus 12. Okay, so 2k times 2k, 4k squared, 2k times negative 12, negative 24k, another negative 24k, negative 48k, and negative 12 times negative 12, 144. Negative 4 times 1 times k minus 4k squared, negative 4 times negative 4 equal to 16k, and negative 4 times 1 times negative 20 plus 80 greater than 0. Okay, look at this one here now. 4k squared minus 4k squared. Clear? Okay. Negative 48k plus 16k equal to negative 32k. Okay. And 144 plus 80 equal to, okay, again, 16 minus 48 equal to negative 32. Yes, that's it. And 144 plus with 80 equal to 224 greater than 0. negative 32k greater than negative 2 to 4, and k greater than negative 2 to 4 divided by negative 32 equal to 7. Okay, so guys, girls, that's all for today. I do hope that recall my explanation here helps you to understood. Might be not not helping or recall 100% of the for you to understood, and let's try the question of the tutorial, but hopefully it helps you, okay, to begin and to continue until the recall all the question be complete. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day. Okay, class, I think that I have to clarify something, because I used the wrong sign here. Sorry, I just double check and I make a mistake then here, because this line does not intersect with the parabola, did not meet at all. So it means that it should be less than 0. I'm sorry for this. It's a careless mistake. I'm sorry again and again and again. It should be less than 0. Less, less, and less. So, any value divided by negative value, okay, negative 234 divided by negative 32. So then, the sign of less than change to greater than. Okay, so that's all for today. That's a mistake then. A mistake at this point here. You will recall when this line does not intersect the parabola, so we come up with the equation of b squared minus 4ac less than 0. Again, less than 0. That's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.